Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, welcome to Army Public School PMA Resource Network. Before heading towards the formal proceeding of today's session, please subscribe this page and click on bell icon so that you can receive the notification about upcoming videos. In our today's subject, English language, we are going to discuss different topics from Unit 4, Healthy Living. Before going into the details of today's topic, I would like to share learning objectives with you. So, here are the learning objectives. Read the article and talk about balanced diet. Talk about different types of physical exercises. Talk about technology addiction in the information defect. Balanced diet. A balanced diet is an essential part of a healthy lifestyle. But what is balanced diet? A diet consisting of a variety of different types of food and providing adequate amounts of nutrients necessary for good health. Why is it important? A balanced diet is important because our organs and tissues need proper nutrition to work effectively. Without good nutrition, our body is more prone to disease, infection, fatigue, and poor performance. Food and diet. Do you have a balanced diet? Carbohydrates. 45 to 65% of your diet. Foods such as rice, pasta, and bread provide the body with most of the carbohydrates needs. They are like fuel for the body. We also get some carbohydrates from fruits and vegetables. Fats. 20 to 35% of your diet. Fats are the body's ways of storing energy. Types of food that include fats are red meat, nuts, and dairy products, such as yogurt. However, some fats are unhealthy. We should avoid too much junk food like burgers because they can create serious problems such as heart disease. Protein. 10 to 35% of your diet. Protein helps to repair the muscles in our body. Meat and fish are full of protein, but there is also protein in beans, lentils, nuts, and seeds. Red meat has a lot of protein, but it also has some unhealthy fat, so it's best to eat it in small amounts or as part of a dish with healthier ingredients. Other nutrients. There are also lots of other nutrients such as vitamin C and iron that our bodies need in small amounts to protect us from disease. Most of these come from eating fruits and vegetables, but we also need calcium from tofu and dairy products to keep our bones strong. Look at the picture. It is full of balanced diet. A good diet is an essential part of a healthy lifestyle. Eating the right food plays an important role in the health and functioning of every part of the body, including the skin, heart, bones, and brain. Consuming healthy foods can also speed wound healing and fortify the immune system. Make sure you consume enough vitamins and minerals that keep your body strong. Eat as wide a variety of food as possible from the 5 major food groups like grain products, fruits, vegetables, plants, or animal sources of protein and dairy products. Avoid eating when you are disturbed or upset. It's always good to delay the meal and eat after a while when better. Is diet important in fitness? Yes, diet is important in fitness. The food we eat plays a vital role in how we look and feel. Regular exercise is important because, according to research, nutrition has the largest impact on our fitness. An ideal diet is the one that has enough calories to fulfill our energy requirements. Different people have different nutrition requirements and vary according to their age, activity level, and special needs. So, diet is important in fitness. Now, students, here are some benefits of exercise. Number one, help you control your weight. Number two, reduce risk of heart diseases. Number three, help your body manage blood sugar and insulin levels. Number four, help people to quit smoking. Number five, improve your mental health and mood. And the last is help keep your thinking, learning, and judgment skills sharp. Before going to discuss written work, I want to share success criteria. So, success criteria is read the vocabulary track and use the words in bold to fill the table properly. Try to use newly learned food vocabulary in our daily routine. Physical fitness can boost self-esteem and improve positive self-image. Now students, it's time for home task. Read the article on food and diet. Textbook page number 47. Exercise 3 from student work. Match the definition to the words in bold in the article. Next is exercise page number 51, textbook. Enter the word in bold given on page 51 in My Vocabulary Bank. Warm up, sprint, jog, put on, workout, stretch, breathing in and out, train, cool down. And the last is written work. Why is it important to exercise? Write 5 benefits. Use loose sheet for written work. Now students, it's time to say you goodbye. Stay home, stay safe. Allah Hafiz.